Alright guys, today we're looking at Icon's new drop point knife, item 70613. I've got a couple other knives that are slightly cheaper, but they all use D2 steel. The first one is from Crescent. This knife's about $30 from Lowe's. Doesn't have bearings. This just has, I believe, like a brass washer for its slide setup there. This is my second one from Crescent. The first one I broke the clip off. I contacted Crescent. They actually just sent me a whole new knife. That's normally the problem I have with pocket knives, is the clip ends up breaking. So as you can see on this one, it's just like a spring, stainless maybe. And then the next one is from CRJB. This is popular on Amazon. This was also $30. Same type of clip design, stainless steel, stamped. This does have ceramic bearings in the top there, but it doesn't have the flipper lever on the back like the Icon does. But the action of this one still very smooth without having to throw the knife out. And then last is the new Icon. So as you can see, it's got carbon fiber inlays in the handle there. It is real carbon fiber. You can tell both sides there. The clip itself says it's machined. Very heavy duty clip. You got ball bearings in this one also. You have the flip lever on the back side here, so without any extra movement, very easy to open. And then right there, Icon D2 steel. Look on the inside there, if it would focus. There is steel lining the entire blade handle, so it's not just plastic. There's a small detent on this liner lock here. You ain't got to worry about it opening up in your pocket. It's kind of sturdy, but still easy enough to flip open. Like I said, this one also ceramic ball bearings. Easy to flip open. And then on the Crescent just has brass washers. You have to help it along to get it to flip out. So like everything Harbor Freight, this is lifetime warranty, so it will be interesting to see when this pocket clip does break. If it does break, getting it replaced won't be an issue. See right there, the blade lines up pretty center on there. This one's a little bit off. Bit of play there too. So yeah, check it out. I'm pretty impressed with it. Out of the box sharpness, no problem. Like I said, all these are D2 steel. I don't know if that's how consistent that is. You know, if just because this is D2 and that's D2 probably doesn't mean the exact same thing. So it will be interesting to see how long this blade stands up. So yeah, pretty nice knife. This one was $40. Like I said, these were $30 each roughly. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.